Hi everyone, it's Miss Nicky here. Would you like to play a game with me? Great. Let's choose the healthy food. Are you ready? Would you choose a cake or a carrot? Which one's healthy? That's right, the carrot's a healthy choice. Would you choose an ice cream cone or a strawberry? Which one's healthy? That's right, the strawberry's a good choice, isn't it? Would you choose the cookie or an orange? Which one's the better choice? That's right, the orange is a good choice. And would you choose this creamy banana split with ice cream or would you choose a banana? Which one's the better choice? That's right, the banana is a healthy choice. When we choose healthy food, we feel great. I know we can make good choices, everyone. We can do this. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, friends.